Good morning, children. So, today we are here to discuss chapter number 25, that is phobia time, okay, of class 7th GK book. So, phobia means excessive irrational fear or hatred. कोई भी चीज़ से अगर हमें बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? फोबिया. जैसे हमें पानी से ज़्यादा डर लगता है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं कि आई सफ़र फ्रॉम हाइड्रोफोबिया. हाइड्रो मीन्स वाटर. ओके. So similarly, phobia means excessive irrational fear or hatred of an object, animal or situation. So here we have match the following phobias with their meanings. Now let's see. The first one, aerophobia. So aero मतलब क्या होता है? This aero मतलब you can say air होता है. Okay. So aerophobia is a fear of flying. Okay. Now second is acrophobia. What is acrophobia now? Acrophobia is fear of heights. बहुत हाइट पे कोई कोई रहता है एंड व्हेन दे सी डाउन तो दे फील सो स्कैर्ड फ्राइटन. So that means the person is suffering from acrophobia, fear of height is the answer. Come to question number 3, claustrophobia. Claustrophobia is fear of closed places. बंद जगह पे किसी भी person को आप रूम में बंद कर दो तो that person he'll start suffering from some kind of you can say his behavior will start changing. So that means that the person is suffering from claustrophobia, that is fear of closed places. Cynophobia is fear of dog. Hydrophobia, as we have already discussed in the beginning, what is hydrophobia? Hydrophobia is fear of water. Nyctophobia is fear of darkness. Then you have question number 7, that is philophobia. Philophobia is fear of affection. Question number 8, photophobia. What is photophobia? Photophobia is fear of light. Question number 9, gastrophobia, fear of eating. Question number 10, gerontophobia. Okay, now gerontophobia is, what is it? It is fear of getting old. कोई कोई होता है ना कि वो people some people they start getting old and then they start fearing, and just to avoid their old age they start doing something. So that is what? That is gerontophobia, fear of getting old. Now come to question number 11, tachophobia. Tacho, tachophobia. Now what is tachophobia, children? Tachophobia is fear of speed. Understood? Now question number 12. Question number 12 is agoraphobia. Now what is agoraphobia? Agoraphobia is fear of open spaces. किसी को बंद जगह डर लगता है, fear of closed places, that is claustrophobia. एंड यहाँ पे किसी को खुली खुली जगहों पे डर लगता है, that is this agoraphobia. Now come to question number, I hope the answer of question number 12 is clear. Agoraphobia, the answer of question number 12, agoraphobia is fear of open spaces. Now come to question number 13, lalophobia. What is lalophobia? Lalophobia is fear of speaking in public. किसी किसी को hesitation होती है public places में बोलना, public के बीच बोलना. So what is that? That is lalophobia. The person is suffering from lalophobia. Now come to question number 14, allurophobia. What is allurophobia? Allurophobia is, what is it? Fear of cats. किसी को डॉग से डर लगता है, किसी को कैट से डर लगता है. ओके, सो इफ somebody is fearing of cat, that means he or she is suffering from allurophobia. Question number 15, arachnophobia. Now what is arachnophobia, children? Arachnophobia is fear of spider. Okay, now as I told you, somebody fears cats. सो जो कैट से जिनको डर लगता है उनको क्या बोलते हैं? एलोरोफोबिया. ओके. नाउ somebody will fear dogs. जिनको डॉग से डर लगता है उनको क्या बोलते हैं? साइनोफोबिया. अब एरेक्नोफोबिया is the person, arachnophobia is this kind of fear which this arachnophobia is a situation in which a person fears from or has fear of what? Fear of spider. Necrophobia. Now what is necrophobia? Necrophobia is fear of dead bodies. Venestrophobia. Now what is venestrophobia? Fear of beautiful women. Question number 18. Phasmophobia. Now what is phasmophobia? Phasmophobia is fear of ghost. किसी किसी को घोस्ट से डर लगता है, तो आई थिंक एवरीबडी इज स्केयर्ड ऑफ घोस्ट. There are very few people who are not scared of ghosts, okay, who are not scared of spirits, but most of them are scared of spirits, ghosts. So I think most of us suffer from phasmophobia. Now this question number A is done. I hope you might have matched, you might have written the proper number of the answers. Now come to question number B. Question number B is name the following phobias. Okay. Question number B. As you can see in the clue box, there are so many clues given. For example, orophobia, electrophobia, bibliophobia, agliophobia, cacophobia, noctiphobia, okay, acousticophobia, seronophobia, xenophobia, zoophobia. So let's see which one matches with the which answer fits which question. First, fear of noise. So fear of noise is acousticophobia. Spelling is ACOUSTICO. Acousticophobia. PHOBIA. Acousticophobia. Question number 12. I hope you people are just, you might have done question number A and then come to question number B. Write the spellings with me. When I am repeating the spellings one by one, please try to listen it, try to pronounce properly and then write the answer in the blanks provided. Don't waste your time. Understood? Now come to question number 2. Fear of pain. Fear of pain is agliophobia. AGLIO. Agliophobia. PHOBIA. Question number 3. Fear of gold. Now what is the answer? Answer is aurophobia. AURO. Aurophobia. PHOBIA. Aurophobia. Come to question number 4. Fear of books. What is that fear of books called? Fear of books is called bibliophobia. BIBLIO. Bibliophobia. PHOBIA. Phobia. Question number 5. Fear of ugliness. Fear of ugliness. कोई होता है ना कि I am looking so bad. Okay, my look is not that good. That is fear of ugliness. That is cacophobia. CACO. Cacophobia. PHOBIA. Cacophobia. Question number 6. Fear of thunder. किसी को थंडरिंग से बहुत डर लगती है. Okay, बिजली चमकती है तो somebody is most of you people might be so scared. That is fear of thunder. So what is that? What is the answer? Seronophobia. CERAUNO. Seronophobia. Okay. PHOBIA. Phobia. Now come to question number 7. Fear of night. So what is fear of night called as? Noctiphobia. NOCTI. Noctiphobia. PHOBIA. Noctiphobia. Fear of animals. Now in the previous question we had read so many this phobias related to animals. Fear of dog, fear of cat, fear of spider. Now in here फियर ऑफ एनिमल्स, ऑल टुगेदर ऑल द एनिमल, जिनको सभी जानवरों से डर लगता है, उनको क्या बोलते, उस पर्सन को क्या बोलता है? पर्सन सफरिंग फ्रॉम जूफोबिया, ZOO zoo PHOBIA, जूफोबिया. कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. फियर ऑफ स्ट्रेंजर्स, अजनबी से जिनको हेजिटेशन होती है, डर लगता है, उनको क्या बोलते हैं? जेनोफोबिया. द पर्सन इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम जेनोफोबिया, XENO, जेनोफोबिया, PHOBIA. Come to question number 10, that is the last question. Fear of electricity. The fear of electricity is termed as electrophobia, ELECTROPHOBIA, electrophobia. So I hope the chapter is clear to you, clear to everybody. So learn it by heart and start preparing for examination, next examination. Clear? That's all for today. Thank you.